secret character,
a secret character, a secret character. When
creamy, Mino, Sophia,
and
Ning,
they discovered they'd be teammates
good.
for the class comic book project. Smiles spread across their faces quickly. They grabbed their sketchbooks and found a table to meet. Our comic book should have be funny, Sophia said. We should add lots of sound effect words like
Zooey
and
smoosh. I don't know how to say that.
Right, but ew.
Ning
started.
Yeah, she didn't just say two words. Someone just interrupted her, right? Interrupted him or her. Ha. Mino
Laughed, and everyone can drive a tiny car even if they are giants that will look really funny.
Okay. And even every driver little cars, even they are giants, that will look really funny.
Yeah, and they began.
Okay, Ning just say something that someone interrupted her or him.
And all the characters can have clown noses, even if they are not clowns.
Kwame,
added Sophia,
Mino,
Miller, and
Kwame.
I
don't know her Kwame, I think.
Kept talking about how to make the comic book even faster, funnier, until the meeting was almost over.
Come on. Cammy, I think
Cammy said, Mrs.
Chen
said we needed to decide on a main character today. We totally forgot to do what? That.
Mino
and Sophia
ground frantically they do something very quickly in a hurry way. Okay, frantically
they all begin. They all
of them.
They all began drawing and their books had fast.
Sophia's
eyes landed on
Ning.
Oh, no, I am sorry. We didn't tell that you speak. The others paused and nodded. Then Sophia asked, "Then do you have any ideas?" Lynn
blushed, the face turned red, blushed, right? Blushed, okay, and then face turned red, like that, okay. Yeah, that what we need.
Frantically.
Okay, yeah, nervously hurried away.
And then nervously
Hurried.
Like
Okay.
Frantically. Blush.
plus
Blush.
plus
Blush.
plus to become red in your face because you are
Ashamed. Embarrassed. Confused. Okay.
He blushed at the
Compliment. Compliment means someone say good words about you. Okay. Here you blushed. Okay.
Blush. Blush.
Can I spell?
BLUSH plus.
Okay. Blush. Okay. Okay. Blushed. Ning.
Blushed. Maybe our main character can be a mouse who is secretly very smart. No one notices the mouse, but wherever there is a problem, the mouse can secretly solve it. Great idea.
Kwame. Cool. Okay, cool here means something good, okay? Not necessarily mean that weather is cool. Cool. Yeah, like that. Very cool. Okay, what's that?
Blush. Blush. Blush.
Become red in your face. He blushed at the compliment.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. Yeah, here means
very good. That it was a real cool movie.
okay, cool means very good. Okay, can spell it.
COOL. Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Mino
Said when Mrs.
Chen
Chen asked them to share. They were ready. With the following
statements.
best describes the meaning or lesson and this story. The smallest voice often has the biggest ideas. A good team listens to every voice. Different ideas make the world go around. There can only be one leader and a group.
Okay, which one?
And a group. This.
Okay.
This.
Okay.
This one.
Oh,
and the group.
good.
This is.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's look at that.
Select the text that best supports the theme that a good team listens to every voice.
Okay, here's one. I think here's another one. Here's another one. Okay, so which one? Do you know which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah. The people ask, do you have any idea? Because Ning hasn't seen anything for a while. Okay. Okay, let's read this one.
A new kid.
Gemma. I don't know how to say that.
The following pronunciation is brought to you by
Jamal.
Summit.
Okay, Jamal. Okay, anyway, Jamal. Okay. The new
kid. Jamal hesitated.
Here, pause and think about something.
In the doorway of
Mrs. Carter's
classroom.
grip means you hold it. Grip. Yeah, like that. What's that?
Cool.
Very good. That was a real cool movie.
Okay, cool, very good. What do we want?
Grip.
Hold.
Firmly. Hold some firmly.
Grip the door handle.
Okay. Oh, maybe it was up here. Okay, maybe take a break.